Bagbin, the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Ghana. Odinsembi Atudra. Now, I'll say parents who send children abroad too early to study don't love them. Jeff, ubet media toso di amaye. I'll say parents who send children abroad too early to study don't love them. But I want you to watch the video. Na utie ensemwa na okano eye. Ebra na one eye nipe kubi ahia wono kasa about oman impumtu ene nkankro ho nsem. Tie no. Tie Speaker of Parliament Aban Sumana Bagbin.
Abroad to study. I beg you. You don't love your children. And many of you who rush your children abroad to study, I beg you, you don't love your children. Because you know you are going to lose them. It's when they study here and get to a stage of maturity and they want to advance, and they're going to do masters, PhD, and that kind of thing, then you have hope that they will come back. Those who carry as babies and send there, they don't even come to your funeral.
Aban Sumana Bagbin, the Speaker of Parliament, and now all training to what can you now say, Omo Motiwan, Woma Sresa, or Mamia, or Sresa, is a Asemna or Cano. Oya Ghanaian, sometimes a bayer will say, ya, one here, now was Sresa, dear Mammy, Sria, Sanse, a hard genekakra. Na osho maya wutimni etu fusi no na wode toto the realities no na aye adwen bebre. Now Speaker of Parliament asem o kan no asem papa, because we all preach patriotism. Say obia ebedone man, obia betna ni kru ma chichiri ni kru na wahwe se ne man ebetumi akonanim. But the big questioner, Speaker Aban Sumana Bagbin, me bisa ne say or a politician, in fact a seasoned politician, what rises through the ranks for so many years. Now, the Mibisan and say, why do you politicians and so modemuma kotina bruchi? Ibikra ko wo hono ma jankwada na hono maba. Be preposition na monso manete ho na omusu ko school nyini wo odi entia. Because how do you kra dey common with politicians? So if you are preaching patriotism and can say started from Wakachino cry, this message should have gone directly to the politicians cry. And so the truth of the matter is Ghana and Kasano ode toto amanone abruchire no ho a Europe ni ade no a emfa, because ya dwene any yensusu ya yedi bu ye man ni ye te se politician Aban Sumana Bagbin mu a wo mu didi ye nimu MPP NDC ni ade ye ba ni ye ko ni ade ye se democracy nsu wo man no ye system no na enye. That is the problem. Enunti and obi abefin say ese o man ba enya ba bi pa kotena a good baby systems in a year, because the systems abroad no are structured for everyone. Me say systems ewo amanone no abruchire no are structured for everyone. Na no ne ka South Africa sem na bi ka se de ntina Ghana for be South Africa. Na no na me abranti bi a obetra studio ha ya ne ka South Africa sem o ye Ghanaian oso akotena ho over 20 years, and when you good chen Ghana okan o se ho kra no se o yare a hospital no be kodi free e ho no se wo ba kra a wawo no ne ye se etua ne ka allowances bebre a wonya adwuma kra no a tipo kakra ban no a hwe se wo ho beto no South Africa he yawo o se ye adwuma amanone Ghana ni ko wo ho a system ye structured o de ne ba no konkwada abremu a akwada no kra betumi anya leave to remain na what you build, because system no favor be about Ghana in our system. Ghana your system no. Omo ye just say omo system no kura favor omo no esa frustrate omo. Obeko school awie na akoye nsimpi. obesua bibia wia say o say system no ebe force no ma wo mu a in fact they have the merit to actually be comfortable in this country Ghana no na country ne system no ankasa sa frustrating no. It is such a person or for frustration na mu no odum pempenso bi a ohun ni say die nti na de ma fam wo man we mu no me ma me ba so fam to de ne ba no be kwa bruchire where the systems work very well na timi afeva ne ba no. Because man before the age of 18 no obetumi anya leave to remain when you access to free basic education no man no pie keka ho subsidized university fees ne de keka ka ho bebre barriers ahodo a ye face ne ha entimi maye man realize your dreams no abrochire system ne ya hyehye de yie ma abofra de opeso ye do obetumi aye ne dreams no betumi abam. It won't try man banning kodi 18 na residency emeye hadama no na education no so nkoye bibia wo to obesoa ne ba na firi ha de na kotena ma no ne. That is the reality. Yen ka no kran kire ho the system ne nye obia di wa ne kondo se obefiri ni man ya wo mu ne wakotena baabi omo ewo UK any others no mo frɛ wa osi awo no nya easy o me kwa adwuma nya easy o ye Ghana mo de mo anya wo onya ya nko wo ni krom but the system no enye enye de adwene pene so wo ho apaso enye de obi pene so wo no ebi kro te Ghana ha na say ebia enko wo ha no ne nabusua nyina ohu ne wofa ohu ne soa ohu obia na nko mutwa ben no a wo mpew but the system is bad it will no shama no ne ho no a no okotete ne mako ye nabusua na ebeboa no na nkwada no daachi betumi asiye odom beko some even go to the extent Asia any other places yanka ono akra no Ghana nko fi se ne ho beto na chain those places but obetu kwayako dientia because your system no enye we don't have better jobs your system near weak no stronger systems in fact real opportunities obenya na broche onya bi wa enti amansuma na ba be wo point pa but until we fix our system na ye no ma no system of corruption ayi mu ma sika ye bitimi de abia nyuma ama mabunanya bia ye no say sika na politician na wia ono nko ani na busua no kra nso no sa politician na wasa wia sika no kra na busuafo no so nsa antena kromu a wo mo tiama no ne nkwada a wo ka ho ase mu kra na mo de mo bande kokese aban mu politician mu na mo de mo man kokese because corruption ti ene system no asay obi be hwe ne ba from primary JHS secondary school ama akwada no atumi akodu university awie wabetena fie more than 5 years ebi atena fie 10 years or per juma tra applications be bru 2000 wonya adwuma but elsewhere no ohune so okotete ne ba ewo Europe any other place se oni ani daso mpa opia onya bibia obetumi ayede ato ne botum edia won krofo mu free Ghana ha call ya wono a oni skills bia oja yi bia chese school ikura wa anko anu achi ne enso okodura brochira anya hwe no obenya bibia yo enya sika bia be ye bibi ofie and the systems work a favor obia and that is why people other parents wish say omodo mo mabekwa start in such a system. So Aban, before you preach this no, let's fix our system that will attract Ghanaians to stay rather than so more travel abroad. Akwatiti wo mama wo and no be university no and school no kra wo park no kra just wo tua protocol and your protocol list for admission. Ghana no ayet system no your protocol list for admission and to those who have the merit no wo mu anka wo edimu wo mu krata ye kra say ye do mo hyesa course ni mu no wo mu kra ya mfa wo mu na because politician bi ba because panyini bi ba because we need the nipa 10 year pa ni ye yi de wo no qualify ye na frim ni the protocol ni na behim. That is our system but abrochire ye nya ne sa enti me metie ebe me the system be favor me ba na metete ni wo mu. Let's all be frank to ourselves. Yen kan okranche ye ho. So obewie no opetichi. I just work otua 20,000, 30,000 e de makwabrane ansa ne yetimi ama na appointment letter abetrem so obekira de. We training college tifie. We university tifie. Youth no, look at the struggle they are going through. Ya be preach si yen tete ho ha. Yen fix the system ni ye and that is why they are running away. And the health obeko se wo kosa wo yare system no kura ntimi nkova obra wonni bie se wonni bia Unibia. Baby insurance need to be do no asa. And then you say Mahama care a year but no how many people? They show more kidney one a whole lot of issues. Say obenya teaching, obenya security services, obenya when we university no, obenya teaching security services, any other professions just will try protocol, just will try skakesi. Because our system is not fair. Those who actually deserve it, no, it depends on who you know. Any who has money, who has the links. Apart from that, no for first class, me see about for third class in Nigeria. Not just because of anything, no. And yes, all your first class, I won't shut down your skillful. We are first class, I will experience cry. You say we are skillful. You are very good, even than the third class. But me say third class and then second class, lower no or no, uni binti. Wo first class ni you better watch it. No paper not to baby be foot bono. After say any pakro. That is our system. So nobody will be attracted to stay in. So opportunities so be to kwanya. Akotena tetenema. And then Ghana Statistical Service, the report about, also public officials demanded bribes from nearly 7 in 10 Ghanaians in late 2025. Jeff Fato Sumami. Any, also office be a baby or Ghana, public office. Office be a baby or Ghana. We offices say nipa 10 na be shia wo mo a emu 7 edge bribe. Office bia bewura no uyi 10 emu 7 edge bribe ansa na de opese ye yama no yama yen ka no kre office ben e na abekọ wo Ghana ha se wo pe wa de ntempa na apese ohun yi a wontua bibia ansa na wonsa aka ti ye ka no kre wo memu a, and in such a system no you are preaching patriotism, bribery and corruption. We are losing the best of our youth, no omo ko because we must fix the system and stop that self-interest. Any normal as a politician, political party, same to no Ghana ni no o kabia ma no ni MPP ni NDC ntino o kasa no town. Oni adwuma ye youth no otifie no no wo suo ni adwuma ye na wo kabia ma no ono sa be kwakoto data 5 cedis no asa be di watem wo Facebook because e bia na ban na wo so. Look at this system. Data actually say this one was done by Gallup data 2026 year almost say between report on the about 2026 almost say between 2021 to 2023 no so for Ghana youth na 67% of Ghana youth no omu trimu no play besi wonne omu nyina be dwane afiri omayimako. I'm telling you that we are losing our best youth. Gallup 2026 Gallup report bra Facebook be he na da ho no or say 67% we Ghana for youth no emu dua emu be ya nso de insia to nso de wo nya ya ko mu ni Ghana ti play besi wonne wodum beko. That is where we are. So Abansman Bagbin, your message is good. And yetiti ye ho haye yetiti ye mam haye patriotism ye here, but we must build a Ghana where every child's dream is achievable. Enye politician kwaba, enye osikani kwaba, enye womu a links kwama ene diye. By build this system, said ye wutie bia, to said ya manonia yeno, se wo merit no kwadia, you'll be able to survive in this country. And they are hijacking scholarships near the crown a year for the poor no, obeheno, nesika for money goon scholarship no. You mean the goon politicians you call Mr. Wisiki, near side the scholarship, yes, I mean, no money nemu at the expense of the poor. In such a system, no, you expect our children to realize their dreams, yeah? Build a system before preaching sacrifice. We need to fix corruption, create jobs. Now ensure fairness before we preach that patriotism and sacrifice. Until then, not there. Every parent will naturally seek better opportunities elsewhere. A good message. But it has to do with politicians more fix the system. No? That is my message. But to the youth, finally, to the youth, be our pejuma 5 years. 10 years wunya adwuma mesro eye wunya first class from university why ade second class lower upper ni lower nyina third class why ade wo de watwa wie university ukura krata but adwuma ne wa apply em fa because they kura de say we ntwa wunya protocol ni ade ni material report abani data Ghana Statistical Service and of course Gallup dey say ma ya mesro 5 years na de tenefie no ka wodi mu 6 months esua skills bia wodi mu 6 months esua skills bia ebetumi ama wa survive ye than sitting there waiting for politicians ya omo nyine modachi hu ya omo nyine dachi no ediene akoda bia dream aye bibia wo so oba achieve so achieve because bekwa ko sua yere no a bo bewie no edi skills bi sua kan with your certificate no your university ni say wo sua skills bi kan ho wo ya graduate wo sua skills bi kan bra wo tifia wo pa adwuma wo nya 5 years yi now the best 6 months 1 year esua ensano ade bi kan ho a sanu nyuma bi a ebi kura no kura de yie de beba kura chen de wo hwe ani mu so be yi no ene yetia no makofa nkrofo firi Burkina any other places a omo ye tiling POPB plumbing works any a de building ho enoma no san nkrofo ekofo mu free foreign countries na ye de ska omo charge nyagro na no me papa bi a me ne etwetwe nkobo da de genya mi hwa wo se ne dan a wo si won kran nkrofo ni free Ghana togofo guys bi omo charge ni 800 million nipa 5 per ombe ye adwuma ma no saying 800 and imagine the money they have gotten yeah they got na baby kura setna eyi office baby kura de etuatua wo ka wo mo che say we how many months na de benya say ska no omo che no once adwuma no kura so we 2 weeks no ma wie 800 billion 80,000 enti mesro pensa no nyuma bi utifie no don't waste your prime years utifie no pebibi kakra as a youth aban no onyami ma wadwuma de but get something doing enye sa adwenbone ne beba utrim bibi kakra bi plumbing we no akobi bia electronics kakra no wasua bi na de aka ho wo certificate ti wadwene ma bie yie ebeboa wa mo atumi survive. That is my advice to the youth. A man who is trebo bi kakra, ebia make us ye bi kakra, no maybe kakra the best survival. That will help you. A sacra be your skills, account certificate, you know. Don't just stay and waste your prime years. Take control, build capacity. Not create your own path. Because you are buying politicians, no kwa. The youth. You be mobile. That's my message to a Aban Sumana Bagbin. Mon fix the system no. Politicians. Na mo fix ya. Ghana ni bi anyone kondo se. Okotina room. Thank you very much. Kwamina?
Gobi, announce we no na.
Aye.